at now, those are the hair products which I use within the last 6 months. So I'm gonna make a short run through and tell you what I think about them, and if I will repurchase. So let me start from the Neutrogena Triple Moisture. This is a great shampoo and conditioner. As you can tell, I have 2 sets and I do enjoy it. It's for damaged hair, or I should say if your hair needs help and miracle, this is perfect because it does make them smoother, looks better and hydrate. So I have 2 shampoos and 2 conditioner. For sure I'm gonna repurchase. I think I have another set waiting for me. Also they have a hair mask in a tube which is wonderful, so if you see it, grab it because it's worth trying out. Then we have Frieda Frizz Ease shampoo and conditioner, and it does smooth your hair. It's really nice. So similar as with the Neutrogena, you will see the results. Now, if I cannot find this one, for sure I'm gonna repurchase the Triple Moisture. But either way, the Frizz Ease and Triple Moisture work for dry hair. Let's move to the treatments. This is the Suave Almond and Shea Butter Mask, which is great. I did enjoy it, and it hydrates your hair. I don't think they make it anymore, but if you see it, just grab it. It's worth trying out. I know they still have shampoo and conditioner from the same line. Then we get the 3-minute Miracle Moist. It's great. It's been on the market for many years for a reason. It's cheap, it does the job, and it's widely available, so I have nothing else to say except recommending. This was a sample of the L'Oreal Damaged Hair Leave-In Conditioner. Was fine. I use on my wet hair. It was nothing special, and that's the castor oil, or I should say blend of different oils. So I use this, I know, every other week to hydrate my scalp and my hair. So I have this for a couple of hours and then I wash it off, and it did its job. I already repurchased castor oil, not from this brand but from other one, but if you see it, it is worth trying. Then we have 2 products from Dove. I have their Anti-Frizz Oil Therapy shampoo and conditioner. I was looking for the Anti-Frizz product, but it was hard for me to find, so I got the shampoo, and then I decided to give a try for their conditioner because it's with avocado, which is supposed to be really good for your skin and hair. Now with the shampoo, as similar as with the Frieda, it does work. It's widely accessible, but for right now I'm gonna stick with my Neutrogena, and this wasn't bad either. One of the last item is the hairspray from the same line, the Frizz Ease. No, I didn't like it because it make my hair stiff and I couldn't run my fingers through my hair. So no, I will not repurchase it unless you wanna have that heavy duty feeling on your head, then go for it, but otherwise it's a no-go for me. Then we have 2 detanglers, one from Pantene, one from TRESemme. They both were fine. I'm using detanglers in the morning when I wake up because my hair are really tangled, so instead of using water I'm just using detanglers. I did enjoy Pantene. I think I already repurchased this one previously, and this is not bad either. It's just cheaper, so I think that's the reason why I bought it, but I don't mind either or. If I have to choose few items to recommend, and for sure I'm gonna recommend, is the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Mask, the shampoo and conditioner from Neutrogena, and the detangler sprays. And worth mentioning is the castor oil. It doesn't have to be this brand, but give it a try because castor oil has good properties for your skin and hair. So yeah, that was my short review of the items which I use for the last 6 months, and I see you guys next time. Bye.